This video will show how you can create a video from a PowerPoint slide using PowerPoint. You go to slideshow here, record slideshow. If I choose to, I can add my own video in a small box. I do this here. Here you see me. And I can use the notes here that I've previously put in my notes section. And I go on recording. This video will show the steps to create a video from a PowerPoint presentation using the built-in PowerPoint recording tools. I was hitting stop here instead of just going to the next slide. I'm doing that because I record slide by slide, and you will see the advantage if I make a mistake. So I keep recording. I just click record. Three topics to be mentioned in this video. TPOC 1. Oh, I misspoke. But not everything is gone. I just stop here. And I can say clear. Instead of clearing my whole slideshow, I clear the recording on the current slide. And I just click recording again. Three topics to be mentioned in the video. Topic 1, topic 2, topic 3. And I stopped. And that's almost it. I close the recording window. I save my PowerPoint. If I haven't done that before, now it has the recording. Save as. Basic PowerPoint, I chose the name already. It complains because it will overwrite, that's no problem. And now comes the crucial point. Because currently you only have saved your PowerPoint, but what you want is actually a video, so you have to save it again. File. Save as, and you save it as an MP4 slide. Save, and that's it. Not all the way, because here you see the progress bar, so you have to wait until the progress bar has finished. It is finished now, and I can close PowerPoint and I have my video.